Hi, I'm Christian M. Cañete from 11th Athena.
Hi, I'm Job Priantino from 11 Athena.
I'm Nathaniel Geronimo from 11 Athena.
I'm Orlando Tinot from grade 11 Athena.
My name is Armando Queron from 11 Athena, and today we're talking about General Academic Strand, or in short, GAS.
Hello everyone, I am John Matthew Melbior from grade 11 GAS, and today we will be discussing to you the General Academic Strand. Many people often perceive GAS as fallback option for students, but let's break that misconception as we gain deeper understanding of what GAS truly offers.
The General Academic Strand, or GAS, is under the academic track of senior high schools. It is for learners also discovering their passions or do not know which particular strand to enter in college yet. GAS gives them a wide and adaptable sets of courses like UMS, ABM, and STEM. GAS students acquire communication, critical thinking, problem solving, research, and leadership skills. GAS prepares students for a variety of college courses like education, businesses, social science, and liberal arts. GAS is best suited for those students who appreciate diversity and general knowledge, given the liberty to change courses to meet new academic and professional requirements in the future.
It provides flexibility for students who are still searching for their future subjects or profession, builds critical thinking, communication, research skills, and applicable in any profession. Synthesizes lessons from various strands like UMS, ABM, STEM, providing students with a balanced education, fosters adaptability and creativity, equipping students to deal with real-world challenges, paves the way to different college degrees like education, business, social science, political science, psychology, and communication, grants job readiness for administrative, public service, entrepreneurial, and community work careers. Lays a strong background for students wanting to be teachers, managers, authors, and professionals in various sectors. It's a great foundation for students intending to out various career paths before specializing.
Now, let us interview a GAS student. Hello sir, what have you experienced as a GAS student?
As a GAS student, I learned adaptability across diverse subjects. Initially uncertain, GAS helped me discover my strength and interests, building confidence, flexibility, and open-mindedness. I now see these versatile skills applying to any future college path or career. Thank you. That's all.
That's all. Thank you.
Are you continuing to discover your passion or still wondering what career path to follow? Don't fret, the General Academic Strand is the right track for you. GAS allows you to explore your strength while developing your communication, leadership, and critical thinking abilities. Its flexible courses and broad range of careers make these strands a great way to infinite possibilities at college and beyond. Be adaptable, be ready, be limitless, select GAS and create your future today.
Thank you for considering learning about General Academic Strand GAS. Keep in mind, GAS is not only a strand. It's a path to finding out who you are and what you want to be. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams by Eleanor Roosevelt.